Okay, here's the answers for these. Fast. Factor everything usually, so that's difference of two squares, x plus a, x minus a. That's 2 times x plus a, and that's x plus a, x plus a. So look at it, I got an x plus a and an x plus a up there. There's 2 of them down here. So I should get rid of all that stuff. Those are going to go away, those are going to go away. Looks like I have 2 times x minus a on top, and on bottom 3x. That would be it. Here we go again, factor everything. Let's see, y squared in common times x minus 1. Nope, x minus y. There we go. Y squared times y. Got it. Let's see, those look like they have x squared, so that would be x plus y. Division, so remember that's going to get flipped. So I'm going to flip it right now. I'm going to factor, this is going to be very confusing. I'm going to factor that one and put it right here. Let's see, it looks like x and x is x squared, y and y is y squared, negative, negative. X squared minus 2xy plus y squared, there we go. And then I'm going to factor that one and put it up here. So that'd be x, and let's see, negative 2y plus 1y would give you that. Got it. Okay. Now just cancel out all the crap that you can and you're done. So there's an x minus y, x minus y, x plus y, x plus y. Those are different, so that's it. Y squared times x minus 2y over x squared times x minus y. Oops, there we go. Make sure if you see me make a mistake that you bring it up tomorrow and you'll get 5 gold stars. Already did that one. So now this one, let's see, I already started it, common denominator on bottom, we got that. So now just flip and multiply, so it would be x minus y times, right, that stays the same, and I'm going to flip that one, xy over x squared minus y squared, but that's just x plus y, x minus y. So x minus y will go away and we'll get xy over x plus y. This one, let's see, common denominator would be b. So that one, I need to answer this, dang it. Okay, let's see, common denominator here is b, so that one gets multiplied by b over b, so I got a squared b, and then that one already had it, so minus a, there's the top. And then on bottom, I'll see common denominator will be a, so that one gets multiplied by a over a, so that's ab. That one already had it, minus 1. There we go. Now we flip and multiply, so we got a squared b minus a over b times, and flip that one, a over ab minus 1. Well, that's kind of dumb. Well, not really. Okay. Look at that one's factorable. They both have a's, so that'd be a times a b minus 1. Alright. And so the ab minus 1s will go away, and we'll have a squared over b as the answer. And let's see, over here, we did that one in class. It's a minus b, so we got that on top. This one's going to be a plus b is the denominator. That one stays the same. That one gets multiplied by a plus b. So then we can simplify these both a little bit. A minus a is 0, and then I'll have negative negative b, so that's b over a minus b. And then the bottom, a minus a is 0, and it's distribute that, so it's negative b over a plus b. Flip and multiply, so I have b over, that stupid thing keeps moving, b over a minus b times a plus b over negative b. Those are gone. So I'm going to have a negative 1 here. So how you handle that? So you can do negative 1 times a plus b over a minus b, or you could go negative a minus b over a minus b. I'd probably go with that. back. Let's see, I need my clipboard. Paper stuff setting. I showed you. Just do that. So then your common denominator is x plus 1, x minus 1. So that one got multiplied by x minus 1. So it'll be x minus 1 minus, that one got multiplied by x plus 1. So it'll be x plus 1. Keep going right here on this one. X minus x is 0. But then you have negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 2 over x plus 1, x minus 1. There's your top. And then on bottom, that's this one. Again, we had x plus 1, x minus 1. So that one gets multiplied by x minus 1. Plus, that one gets multiplied by x plus 1. X plus x is 2x. The 1s get canceled. So I'd have 2x over x plus 1, x minus 1. Flip and multiply. I think we're just going to get negative x here. So we have negative 2 over x plus 1, x minus 1 times, flip that one, x plus 1, x minus 1 over 2x. Oop, I was wrong. Those are gone, those are gone, the 2's are gone. You get negative 1 over x. Here, let's see, common denominator would be x squared, y squared. That one got multiplied by y squared. That one got multiplied by x squared. Let's write that. I'll leave it as divide right now. That one's going to be xy. That one got multiplied by x. That one got multiplied by y. So now I have that. Flip and multiply. So y squared minus x squared over x squared y squared times xy over x squared minus y squared. Those aren't the same. But let's see, if I pull a negative 1, now aren't they the same? X squared minus y squared. Yeah, that makes it easier. So now I don't even have to factor x plus y, x minus. I can just go, hey, goodbye. Leave that negative 1 there. And then one of the x's and one of the y's, and I'm left with negative 1 over xy. And then these, of course, separate them. Here, I'm going to do this the old-fashioned x to the 4th there, and just ignore that. So that one over x to the 4th, that one over x to the 4th. There. Now it's clearer. So to simplify that one, let's see, I'm going to move that down. And I have x to the 3rd on top and x to the 4th on bottom, so canceling stuff would just leave me a single x on bottom. But I have a negative sign there, so it's negative 1 on top. X's are canceling, so I have just an x. And then that got moved down, so I have 1 minus x squared to the half power. Okay, and then I can leave it as minus. Here, let's see, 2, that ain't going to happen. But x and x to the 4th cancel out, and I'll have x to the 3rd on bottom. That 2 is just chilling, and that guy stays. Now I got to get a common denominator. Let's see, I got x. I got to use the highest power of x, so it'd be x to the 3rd, and then I got to have that guy also. That gets multiplied by x squared, so multiply by x squared on top, minus. Let's see, that needs to get multiplied by 1 minus x squared to the 1/2, because that's the piece that's missing. So if I multiply the top by 1 minus x squared to the half, let's see, that's 2 times 1 minus x squared. And then distributive property, so you got, let's see, negative x squared minus 2 plus 2x squared over a bunch of stuff. Negative x squared plus 2x squared is just x squared minus 2 over that stuff. X to the 3rd times 1 minus x squared to the half. And I think that's it. Doesn't look like we can do anything else. That's not factorable. Yeah. And then the last one, Separate them. Let's see. So if I do that over that, that looks like 1. Yeah, same exact thing over the same exact thing. That's 1 minus. Now I do that over that. Let's see what's gonna cancel out. Here's my special effects here for my video. If I do that over that, let's see. The 27 stuff's gonna cancel out. Oh no, that one has an X. Dang it. So those don't cancel. Oops. But these do. That does, and one of those does. Okay, so now the 16 stayed. That stayed, correct. Oh, but it's factorable. Jeez. Look at it, they both have X. So I can do X times 27X squared plus 2. Now, okay, so that's gone. That's gone. The 16's still there. I got that X there. That and that are going to cancel out. And I got rid of 2 of the 6x plus 1s, but there's still 1 on the bottom. So that got a whole lot easier all of a sudden. Now I just get a common denominator. Well, that's just going to be 6x plus 1. So that one gets multiplied by 6x plus 1 minus, that one already has the common denominator. 6 minus 16 is negative 10x. Plus 1 over 6x plus 1. Not factorable, nothing cancels. There it is. See you tomorrow.